All right, welcome. I've got a 2008 RAV-4. I'm gonna be replacing the oil pan gasket on because this one is leaking. So we come right down here and you can see there's oil all over the pan. Not only is it leaking out of the pan, but it's just coming to the lowest spot, which is right here. Once the oil pressure builds up, the gasket leaks more. And so today we're gonna be replacing this whole pan gasket, as well as changing the oil because you have to drain the oil to take the pan off, and to take the pan off, you have to drain the oil. First things first, we need a rag to clean this off so I can get my socket on there without getting it too dirty. All right, we got it all cleaned up. Got our 14 millimeter socket here, and we'll just crack that loose. There we go. That's loosened up. Just in front of the oil pan is the oil filter, right there. Let that drain. Now we're gonna let this oil drain for about 10 minutes. Since we're gonna be taking this pan off, it doesn't all need to be out. Now we need to take out all these screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 screws holding this pan on. So it turns out there's 12 bolts and 2 nuts. 1 nut there and 1 nut there. I have 11 of them out. However, I couldn't get my socket on this one here. So I've got to use a wrench to undo it. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one-handed. I'm just gonna have to do it, and I'll show you guys when it's done. Pan is back on. We've got all 12 bolts and 2 nuts put back on. I used some of this. This is the right stuff. This is sets in 5 minutes and vehicle can resume operation immediately. So that's some pretty good stuff. I'm at the part where I can put the oil filter back on. Slide this guy up, get it situated, and then tighten it down. And remember, tighten it down by hand. It doesn't need a tool. Only reason you would need a tool is to get it off because someone put it on there too tight. There we go, right there. And maybe a smidge more. Yep, there we go. So oil filter's back on, gasket's done, and it's time to put the oil in. All right, all the oil's added back in. We're on Main Street. Everything looks good. No leaks whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.